We've developed pre-made impact templates for some of the most common designs we see. Creating these models using impact is incredibly easy because the base of the model is already built for you. All you have to do is download the template and start customizing it to fit your application needs. Here's one of our lead application engineers to show you how.
So to access the Glideline templates, they are currently located on our website. If you scroll over to Resources under Equipment Info in CAD, you will see a section for Layout Templates. So there is a quick start guide for templates, get you kind of step by step through how to use these. Click your 180-degree loop layout. We'll download a zip file. You're going to want to take that download and transport it to somewhere local on your machine. And we can go ahead and go into the file. So inside of the zip file, you will find the Glideline Impact configurator for the 180-degree loop template, and you will also see the corresponding SOLIDWORKS assembly. So you can go ahead and open up your SOLIDWORKS assembly. And once that opened up, we can also open up our impact. Now, once you open up your impact, you will need to enable editing, and you will also need to enable content. And it's going to ask you to select the location of your Glideline folder. So again, you're going to head to your folder, select your Glideline folder, and hit OK. If you've already registered before, you can go ahead and click the register. Otherwise, we can continue without it. So with a 180-degree loop, we can go ahead and update these conveyors. In this case, we want to make this template for a 240 by 240 pallet instead of a 320. So we can go ahead and update this conveyor. You can either use the configuration wizard to update our conveyor, or we can use the part number at the top. For this, I'm just going to change the pallet width to 240 and hit enter. And we're going to update the SOLIDWORKS model and confirm. And additionally, we can update the curves. The curves are sized for a 320/320 pallet. So we're going to update these for a 240 by 240. And we can also change the distance between conveyors to 60 millimeters. And we can go ahead and update and confirm. And we can check out our model. We can see our conveyors have updated and our curves have updated. And the last piece is just the leg sets. So for the leg sets, we are going to update both leg sets to reflect a 240 pallet width and a 60 millimeters between the conveyors. So heading back to our model, we can see that our leg sets have updated, our conveyors are now updated, and we now have a new model that's configured for our requirements. So the benefit here is that all of your mates are pre-existing. You don't have to change anything on your mates, and you can change your size, your length and width of your pallet to whatever you need and conveyors. Heading back to our impact document, you see we can count parts in SOLIDWORKS, and it'll update quantities to match what we have inside of our SOLIDWORKS model. And again, any changes that we made, impact automatically updated pricing based on those changes.
If you want more info about impact, we have an extensive resource library on our site. We also have other templates you can check out as well. Thanks.